Crude oil and net gas both traded beautifully bullish throughout the day and has now moved towards the next target zone at 72.6. And remember, those who follow me regularly, I've been bullish in oil consistently since last few weeks, and I've been saying that the oil is going to move towards 75, 76 zone soon. So can we expect now oil to deliver a breakout here? Can we expect a move towards 73.5, 75 zone soon? And likewise with the natural gas, already we have seen $4 levels. It has just retraced today. It has moved towards 3.5 levels and now trying to bounce. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for, and this is the only channel to deliver 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into oil, followed with gas. What oil did is look at the formation, and we did draw this earlier in the day. Today, see, whenever oil takes the support here, it tries to bounce back, and see this time what it has done, it has breached this channel, which is indeed a very good indication of uh, prevailing bullishness here in oil. Now the support levels from the 20 period moving average are going to be very strong, and previously the resistances are now going to be the support, and thus as long as now oil stays above 71.6, 71.4 zone, we should not be treating this as bearish. This is very clear. Now what has happened, see, after taking the support, it has bounced back, it is trying to retrace a bit. It is possible that it can come down towards 72 and bounce back up again. So it is trying to create now another bullish zone of its own, eliminate this breakout here, and this is the zone in which it is trading. If you see now oil trading beyond 72.6, that is the point of time we can say that the bulls are here in action. 73.5, in fact 75 levels are to be there very soon. The stochastic here is overbought, the MACD is rising, MACD is still looking upwards, and the RSI is overbought. So it appears that on the hourly charts oil is getting slightly overbought, and thus a little retracement cannot be denied here. Yes, it is very much possible, but will it put oil back into the bearish momentum? I do not think so. Every retracement is still an opportunity for us to buy, as long as see, for the day 71.4, and for the near term 68.4 is not breached, we should not be treating oil as bearish. Look at the 2 hour charts, moving averages crossing over, looking upward, staying bullish. Every 2 hour chart, see what has happened. Every rise is followed with a retracement, and this time it has taken a good turn. It can retrace, but I do not see a reversal. And now in fact 72 levels are going to be a very good support. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. And when you look at the 3 hour charts, look at the pattern here. See, rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation, rise. And look at this formation here. Now notice this again, the same observation what we saw on the smaller time frames is getting mirrored here. See this? This is how it has been trading. Now the median at 72, the support levels at 74, 1.4, 71.6. So for oil to now turn bearish for the day, first thing is it has to trade below 72, and then only selling entry, only bearishness today is below 71.4, 71.6. And as soon as it breaks out beyond 72.6 and 73, close your eyes, stay bullish. Stay bullish. Oil is going to deliver a massive rally here, 73.6 next, 74.5 and 75 the next targets. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI overbought. I'll show you on the daily charts why I am so much why I am expecting 75, 76 zone here. Now look at the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Smaller movements, one bigger breakout. I will wait for the next one here. Let it stay above 72.6. The lower price has to be above 72.6 in order for you to take a buying position. Also notice these 2 dips and the support here. Now this support is very strong, and this is the level you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. So things are getting overbought here for oil, but I do not say that it is going to reverse. Now on the daily chart, see, one important point here is the crossover in the moving averages. And when you look at this crossover, how much time did it take to show this crossover on the daily chart? See, first of all, this was the crossover, but this was a bearish cross. This was the last time when we have seen a little bullish crossover, and this was almost 6 months back. And after 6 months, we are seeing this breakout here. Next thing which I have shared several times is the quadruple bottom, which is shared on the daily charts. And the third thing was it was showing a squeeze and it is breached out here, which is anyways a very good sign for the bulls. Also the rise, retracement, the support, and the run here. So it is trading bullish. Now third thing is it has to now stay above 72.6, because see, these are the levels at which it has tried to reverse in the recent past. So after forming the base, it is on the verge of a breakout. And now also the fourth thing here is the gap which is left here. So this calls for a good rally and a rise in oil towards 76. Also, the Bollinger Bands have narrowed. It is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it may continue to stay outside Bollinger Bands. Stock I see definitely overbought, which calls for a retracement, but the stock at stick and RSI is still having a room for further rise. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 72.6, expect 73, 73.6, 74.5, 75, and then 75.8, 76 in the near future, maybe tomorrow or the next week. These levels are very much achievable. Today, the crude oil inventories are going to be the driving factor as well. Be mindful of this. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry. See, it is getting overbought, so it can possibly drop here, but I will say till 71.4 today, you have to be extremely cautious in the sales. Yes, it can show you swings hitting the lows, it can bounce back. So you can sell at 72 and expect 71.6, 71.4 levels. And if it trades below 71.4, expect a drop here towards 71 and then 70.5 levels. Below 70 is where more bearishness, below 69.3 is where strong bearishness should be. Chances for such a sharp correction appears to be less. Let's move towards natural gas. And if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Look at the hourly charts on nat gas. After this good great rise towards 4.06, we have seen it retracing sharp. Now I'll connect the dots here. If you connect the dots, you'll find this is the bearish channel in which it is trading. It is very, very important for net gas to now trade beyond 3.6 and 3.7 zone. This is going to be the prime resistance zone, and any move beyond 3.7 is a clear indication of a strong. Moving averages on the hourly charts, which is crossed over for sell, now is starting to converge. I'll just wait for it to trade above 3.6 in order to confirm a breakout on the upside. Stock has taken over bought. MACD after hitting the lows have crossed over for the buys. RSI is comfortable right now looking downwards here. On the 2 hour chart, see similar observation. See a stronger base formation, couple of bullish candles. Now this candle, it has started with a little tail, but once it breaks out beyond 3.6, stay bullish for 3.64 and 3.7. And remember, once it breaks out beyond 3.7, stay bullish. Stay bullish in that case. 3.9 is the next target. Stochastic rising. MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is comfortable here, well placed. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, though it has shown a reversal after a good bearish move, it has shown a reversal. It has taken the support. Couple of bullish candles. Now higher lows here. So what it is trying to do, it has formed a higher low. It can now reverse and rise. So I will wait for it to now trade beyond 3, and once it trades beyond 3.6, expect 3.6465 and 3.7 levels here. Beyond this, 3.9 is highly likely very, very soon. The stochastic rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is comfortably placed on the 4 hour charts. And the observation on the 4 hour chart is same series of bearish candles forming a flat base, a bounce back, stepping stone here. Now I'll wait for it to just trade above 3.6. This is a good level for it to break beyond, and expect 3.6465, and then in fact 3.772 is highly likely. In fact, it can show you a V-shaped recovery which is going to take it towards 3.9 levels soon. Yes, the stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, though it is looking downwards. The RSI is also trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to the daily. Now see on the daily charts, look at the formation here. Rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. All this time we have seen 20 period moving average giving it a support. Again 20 period moving average coming to the rescue, and see hitting close to 20 period moving average, it is trying to bounce back. It suggests that net gas is going to find it difficult to trade below 3.4 and 3.3 levels. So this is going to be the prime support zone for net gas on the downside. Any drop below 3.4 is the only sign of bearishness. As long as it stays above 3.4, I will not be treating this as. So looking at this, ideally you can buy here at 3.58 levels, 3.58, 3.6 zone. You can buy, expected to move towards 3.656. 4 levels is the first target zone, 3.7172 as the next. And if it breaks this zone, 3.8 and 3.9 are very much likely in the near future, maybe tomorrow, or it can give a gap up opening in the coming week. Last week we have seen a massive gap up. It can continue with this tradition in the coming week as well. So this is one point for natural gas where we are still where we're still keeping our bullish intent here very much upright. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.5 levels where you can expect 3.47, 3.44. And if 3.44 is taken, then 3.4. Only and only if it breaks below 3.4 today, you should treat this as bearish. Else, I'll still not treat natural gas as bearish as long as 3.4 is not taken today. Below 3.4 is where you can expect more bearishness towards 3.36, 3.3. Chances for which appears to be less. Still, it appears that net gas has hit the lows and it is going to recover sharp. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership share on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Thank you.